In this video, I'm going to show you how a multi-page inspection can work. Here I'm going to be opening up an inspection called Smoke Clearing Equipment. This actually consists of three separate inspections. Each inspection has to be completed and passed before the next one is revealed. In this way, it forces the user to actually complete the inspection in proper order. It also is going to show you how we can carry the same information over from one inspection form to another. This is information like purchaser name, project, unit number, type, phase, and address, as well as the project development. So if I open up this inspection, you'll see now the three inspections. You'll see equipment install check, equipment commissioning, and equipment sticking check. But if I try to click on commissioning and sticking check, it's missing a plus arrow, so I can't do that. So I'm forced now to first open up the install check. If I open up the form, you'll see now that there's a place for the project number here, where I could have added a number like the contract number. The drawing title has the tower, floor, and unit, the type and phase. The location again has that address, but it also identifies it in DKIARA. And underneath you'll see we have the purchaser's name, Jeffrey Hem. And if I go down to the bottom of the form, you can see I have a field for the overall project. Let's say this is on Eco Hill, and the note on this is a pre-delivery handover document. You'll now see that we've actually completed, we've signed it. So now I can change the workflow to check complete, and I can put in the word done, and now that's recorded. But you notice I still haven't completed this inspection. So if I go back into it now, I want to change the workflow to closed pass. And I put in the word OK. Don't have to make a comment, but I will. And now you'll see the equipment install check is complete, and now I can go into equipment commissioning. And in commissioning equipment, you'll notice that I have all the same information here. Again, I can sign it, but for the interest of time, let's just go ahead and say the commissioning was done. So I say done, and now I go back in again and I close fail it. So if I close fail, it will give me a note all mandatory hasn't been completed, and because it's failed, now I have to open up a new inspection of the same type at this stage. So I hit the plus arrow. Again, you'll see all the information there. I'm going to skip the signature part and just say this was passed. And now I proceed. I close it, and now you can see it's passed, and now I see the plus arrow, and I can open up the final stage. So just like that, you can actually create a multi-stage inspection. Importantly, all of these inspections will carry through the same inspection ID. So there's no need to remember which ID it is, because it'll be permanently tracked in the system.